And now, First Warn 5 weather with Chief Meteorologist Tim Smith.
Hey folks, our cool front is on the move. It's in Texas right now. Temperatures have fallen into the 50s in Dallas and Abilene, 30s in Dalhart, up in Oklahoma City, 39. Folks in the Midwest are going, that's nothing because it's going to get really cold up there. We're just going to cool off a little bit. Ahead of the front, 60s, 70s, and even an 80 in McAllen right now. As far as the clouds go, though, they pretty much moved out. And watch what happens tonight. I think the front comes in with little to no fanfare, probably midnight to 3 a.m., something like that. Maybe some patchy clouds. Could there be a brief isolated shower? Well, there could be, but I think the chances are really slim. And it gets windy behind the front, stays windy into the morning hours, even with some sunshine out there. From the time the front goes through until probably early afternoon, the winds will be strong, and then they finally lay down a little bit late in the day tomorrow. Then you get into tomorrow night, clouds begin to show up again, and during the daytime on Wednesday, more of a mostly cloudy day across the region, but still don't see much in the way of rain just yet. Now, by Thursday, that could begin to change. Moisture really thickens up on Thursday, and I think we'll see some spotty light showers around. Not a big rain event, not like Saturday, where it rains pretty much all day, but spotty stuff, kind of back to normal, what we see around here this time of year. If there's anything tomorrow, it'll be early, like just after midnight. After that, we're dry. We're dry on Wednesday, and Thursday we put a 30% chance in with that moisture really thickening up across the region. Here are the temperatures right now. Look at this, 80 in McAllen, 84 in Rio Grande City. Everybody else in the 70s, very comfortable. Dew points are still down, so it feels pretty good. Low temperatures tonight will drop into the 40s. Now, we're not going to get there right away. We'll probably stay in the 60s until the front gets here. Then we'll drop 15 to 20 degrees by tomorrow morning. So these are your forecast lows, and then tomorrow we're back up into the upper 50s, but that's it. Instead of 80 like today, 57, 59, depends on where you are. Northerly winds, a little bit breezy the first half of the day especially. So tomorrow, 59. We do begin the rebound on Wednesday at 63, then back to 69 on Thursday. The normal high for this time of year is 72. Bigger picture across Texas. Again, the front is in the state, but once you get west of about Dallas, not much associated with it rain-wise, and it's probably going to come in with little fanfare here, if anything at all. I think it's a mainly dry frontal passage early in the morning. Once it goes through, dry air builds in, but that high pressure quickly moves to the east, and with that our winds turn more to the southeast. That brings the moisture back in with clouds on Wednesday and probably showers on Thursday. Spotty stuff, as we mentioned, about a 30% probability on Thursday, and Friday still moisture around, so it could even be a leftover shower on Friday as another low pressure area develops near the coast. That will move away in the weekend and take the chances of rain away with it. Traveling tomorrow, well, again, there's a big-time cold air mass in place across the country, and that's kind of clipping Texas. In the morning, 20 in Amarillo, 29 in Midland, 30 in Dallas, 37 and clear in Houston, just patchy clouds in San Antonio, and 37. So if you're going northward tomorrow, take a coat because it doesn't warm up all that much. Low 50s across the southern part of the state, 40s in the north all the way up to Amarillo. So a chilly day across Texas, but again, contrasting that with the rest of the country, it's not so bad. We'll look at those numbers at 6. So tonight, partly cloudy, windy, turning chillier, a low of about 45. Then tomorrow, partly cloudy, winds will diminish during the afternoon, a high of about 59. North winds 12 to 25 and kind of fading away by late in the day. Late day shower Wednesday into Thursday, spotty showers on Thursday, 69 for a high. Still could be a leftover shower Friday morning. As we get to the weekend, still some clouds around, but temperatures back up close to 80 both days of the weekend, and still on Monday, 80 degrees again. So tonight, tomorrow's front, the last big one for at least a few days. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.